All right, Keith is here with your full forecast. Pretty good weekend, pretty good day today, but time to get the umbrellas, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
If you're gonna say pretty good, I want to know what good is.
It was a beautiful
good
weekend.
would be good. Keith would be me not at work.
Oh, okay. All right, that's fair. There's a scale there. When you're
know.
not here,
Yeah.
it kind of bumps it up a little bit. Yeah, we had a couple showers this week. It's nothing crazy, but we haven't had much of that. It's been really
a nice little break.
quite dry. It'll happen during the middle of the week, so that's good for most people. 77 in Portland right now, 82 Buxton, 84 in Acton. Yeah, these temperatures, the weekend was like this too. It was warm enough, but not necessarily hot like the first half of July was. 79 in Bangor. Herman sitting at 81. Clouds coming in from southwest and northeast now. You can see those. Those will overspread the area through the late afternoon into the early evening, and then we'll see our shower chances after that. If we widen this picture out, there's a lot of moisture down across the southeast and into the Gulf Coast states. We're between a ridge and a trough here, so that's going to give us all this moisture kind of funneling into the northeast Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It doesn't mean that it's going to rain that entire time period, but we will have chances of showers pretty much every day in there. We'll try to time them out the best we can with these small scale models. So tonight after midnight will be our best chance of showers. As soon as the showers start, we'll have a chance for heavy downpours. There's a lot of what's called precipitable water in the atmosphere, so that's the amount of rain that's a cloud is capable of in any given situation. So there's a lot of moisture in here. And by tomorrow morning, we could see some heavy downpours through the morning commute, particularly along the coastline and just inland. But it does look like by the afternoon, that moisture kind of moves away, and we end up with a mixture of sun and clouds, temperatures in the mid 70s. So the second half of the day looks better. Now, Wednesday is a day that's largely cloudy, and there'll just be isolated showers around. Notice at no point is it the entire state seeing rain. Shower chances are best over southern Maine and the mid-coast, but there'll just be pop-up showers and storms off and on throughout the day, otherwise cloudy, staying potentially in the 60s there on Wednesday, which will be our coolest day of July by a long shot. And then Thursday, with a mixture of sun and clouds and some thunderstorms in the afternoon. Some of those could be strong to severe Thursday, late afternoon into the evening. So as far as rain goes, this model gives you an idea, not specifically, okay, Rockland's going to get 2.9, but that there are some heavy pockets in here of 2, maybe even 3 inches of rain. But outside of those downpours, there's a lot of spots that don't get that much rain. So it has to do with where those set up. Once our thunderstorms come through on Thursday, we clear the air out in time for Friday, and the weekend, once again, looks great. This is something I never get tired of, just ripping off good weekends. Sammy, were you on your phone the whole time?
Only part of it.
Okay.
Only part of it.
It's going to be a quiz.
Listen, it was the precipitable. What did you say?
Precipitable water.
Yes.
You were looking that up.
Yes. I'm like, what?
Yes. You were looking up
Weather
research papers on
weenies.
precipitable
Yes,
water.
I'm not.
I get it. I get it. But yeah, I mean, I think, we got a couple of chances in there, but the key is Friday through Sunday, again, looks great.
Got any weekend plans?
No, too old for that. Actually, honestly, I floated the idea for something on Sunday to this group back here, and I just got all no's from it. So now we'll figure it out.
That's sad.
Figure it out.
All right. Thanks, Keith.